So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to restore deleted posts or stories in Instagram. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Instagram app and just go to your profile and click on three lines. Go to settings. And here you need to go to account, and here you can see an option called recently deleted. Click on it, and from here you can find all your posts or stories that you got deleted. So from here you can restore your posts or you can delete it permanently.